Alright, I want to go over the inlet drilling on a kind of hard plastic inlet pipe. The Roush JLT VMP setups have this. GT500s have a similar type material. So it's pretty easy on all of these inlet pipes. We're going to drill with the step bit, second to the last step on it. As you can see here, that's what's 1 1/4 inch. You want to clean this up a little bit. You don't want to remove too much material because you'll make it loose. And then you take your grommet, you pop it in there, and you want to make sure all the edges are seated. Excuse all the holes in this. This is my mock-up bit or piece, as you can see, and I have a bunch of different fittings in there. Again, grease. I know it sounds silly, but believe you me, this stuff works really good. And once it sets up, it's not popping out. Nothing's moving. It takes a lot of force. Once this is in, once this edge here is caught on the other side, to pull this out, it takes a lot of force, even when it's re-greased or you put WD-40 on it. So it's not going to come out. And so then basically you're popping it in. If you don't use grease, you might end up ripping the grommet. It takes a good bit of force. As you can see, it's a very nice tight fit, and once this sets up, that grease does set up, it's not going to move. Now that thing is in there. When I install it, I like to have it pulled all the way down, so when you look inside, you can see that there's only a small portion of the hose bar protruding on the other side there. Not like it's really going to impede any flow, but you do want to consider that. And then from here, we're going to grease again and install your sound tube on there, and you're all set.